Hey everyone, welcome back to KTalk. I'm K, and it's Wednesday, May 28th, 2025. Let's break down what happened with the US stock market yesterday and get an update on Bitcoin. On Monday, the US stock market has closed for Memorial Day. Yesterday, the market opened with a gap up. Reality, it's still operating with a 4-hour consolidation. So, from a 4-hour perspective, it remains in what consolidation range? In that consolidation range. Okay. First, let's look at the Nasdaq. On the weekly chart, we can see still the three overlapping candlesticks, which tell us that it's been in a consolidation range for at last 2 weeks. Just looking at the 4-hour chart. This 4-hour level consolidation is very clear. You can also see that after touching the 4-hour support, and it quickly rebounded, returned to the upper edge of the consolidation range. This is the upper edge of this 4-hour consolidation range. So I think this is a pretty good sign, even though the consolidation level has been expanded. Getting bullish support at the support level and bounce back quickly means it still has a chance to push towards new rate highs. So let's look at the 30-minute chart. You can see a very clear gap up, 3 downward 30-minute consolidations were followed by an upward 30-minute consolidation. This is the 1, 2, 3 downwards, and then yesterday upward 30-minute consolidation. This 30-minute level directly approached last week's highs. So from a 30-minute perspective, the Nasdaq has been very strong since the start of this week. Next, let's look at the S&P 500. The S&P also have a gap up and form a new upward 30-minute consolidation chain. This is an upward and a new 30-minute consolidation. So this indicates continuations of its 4-hour consolidations. This is a 4-hour consolidations, and it will be continued. On the 4-hour chart, let's see. You can see it's bunch of the support line last Friday, but shows some weakness reverse. Yesterday, however, it had a strong gap up, rebound, and continued the 4-hour consolidation. It's a very strong rebound. Finally, let's check the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The Dow Jones 4-hour chart isn't as strong. It's still continuing a 4-hour consolidation. You can see this is Dow's 4-hour consolidation, but this 4-hour consolidation has remained below the pressure line. It's fair to say Dow is still the weakness index. On the 30-minute chart, the Dow didn't even gap up, but it still show a rebound. we can also see the possibility of an upward 30-minute consolidation appearing after the 30-minute consolidation expand to a 4-hour level. Overall, the US stock market is very strong yesterday, but structurally, there are still differences among the indexes, with the Dow clearly weaker than the other two. Now we have covered the US stock market. Let's look at the Bitcoin. Now, after hitting a new high, last week, Bitcoin has also started a consolidation. Its consolidation level is 4 hours. This means the consolidation won't be short-lived. The weekly chart also shows a consolidation state over the past couple days. You can see this is the week candlesticks, and just 2 days passed. So you can see it's a sign of consolidation. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. You can see that this consolidation is trending towards a symmetrical triangle convergence. Okay, so just look at this. Symmetrical triangle is here. Very clear. Okay. However, I don't think it will last long, as it will eventually break out the convergence. I think it will break the convergence and go to the lower edge of this 4-hour consolidation. I think it's one possibility is a downward move to seek the support at the 101K or 102K. This is the consolidation bottom edge. I think this is the bottom edge of this consolidation. Maybe Bitcoin will find the support and then go upward to the 113K. This is the first possibility, and the other is rapid upward. Move to touch the 113K new high, and then followed by a decline. So this is what my perspective of Bitcoin 4 hour. Let's look at the 30 minutes. From the 30-minute chart, you can see a very clear up, down, up structure, indicating a 4-hour level consolidation. This is a 4-hour level consolidation. It seems to move into a symmetrical triangle, but I think it will most likely break downwards. I think it will break downwards to find the lower edge of the 4-hour consolidation before moving higher again. This is my opinion. So in the short term, Bitcoin has a risk of falling. Therefore, caution is needed. We will looking for opportunity to go long once it finds the support at the lower edge of this 4-hour consolidation. So let's wait for the support. And overall, that's the brief market review of US stock market and Bitcoin. If you enjoyed today's analysis, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to keep up with the market pulse every day with KTalk. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. We will see you in the next episode. Thank you.